Can't turn on Bluetooth and Bluetooth spinning on iPhone and iPad after iOS 14 or 15. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and fix this. Scroll down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Enable the airplane mode and wait for a minimum of 60 seconds, and also close all the applications running in the background before disabling the airplane mode. Now, force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. Now launch the Settings application on your device. Tap on General, then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. In general, again, tap on Software Update and make sure you are using the latest version of iOS. With this, your problem should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.